signal loss. Oh wow, I had a few fail. Shut it.
And the one feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. The speed postponed is
What? Now it's 11 a.m. to noon? What were they thinking?
available in 2A. Now return to our regular program. Dew point official net 4 for the official 4%.
Alright, I got the Jensen to go off. And this bed unit went off. I forgot to put that in the when they were going off.
Northwest winds around 60 miles per hour, decreasing to around 50 miles per hour this afternoon.
Event not known. It's a little windy, so that's fine. Don't think that went off, so it's a good thing I checked WNG 575. Alright. Sangean CL100 was actually acquired during the severe weather stuff the other day, but the last gray alert for the day had just gone off, so glad I have it. Glad I know it works. Thank goodness. Did this go off? Yes, it did. Okay. That did not go off. I'll have to double check that. Everything? Yep. There.